Martin Luther King Jr. was born on January 15, 1929. Was a graduate student at Boston University. Received the degree in 1955. King was, by this time, a member of the Executive Committee of the National Association for the Advancement of Colored People. He was the leader of the peaceful March on Washington, D.C. of 250 people, 2,000 whom he delivered his address. I have dreamed. He was not only the symbolic leader of American blacks, but also a world figure. At the age of 35, Martin Luther King Jr. was the Houston must to receive the Nobel Peace Prize. On the evening of April 4, 1968, while standing on the balcony of his motel room in Memphis, Tennessee, he was assassinated.